Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance. It's Friday, August the 22nd, 2025. Checking out the deals of the day. There's good enough ones on Lowe's that I decided I was going to go ahead and make a short video. If we open this up again, online only, today only. Few good deals. This Brad nailer down there from Metabo on sale for $199 with some batteries as well, or a battery at least. The Dewalt Grabo, $149. That's 110 bucks off. That's the price that I ended up getting mine for. When I bought mine. That is a pretty good deal. If you're in the market for that, that's probably the time to grab it right now. And then the biggest thing that I was going to look at, we were talking about these in the live last night, 60% off tool accessories. If we go into those and start looking at those, all sorts of drill bit, driver sets, things like that on sale. And again, I'm going to put as many of these in the shop button as I can, as I can find anyways. But again, if you just go to Lowe's and go to the deal day, you're going to see these. Here is a Dewalt Flex Torque impact set for a 100-piece set in the tough case. That's that bigger tough case. Maybe you've seen those in your Lowe's. So if you run those cases, $22.48, along with all the drill bits, along with all the driver bits, that's a pretty good deal. Then you get over here, some of the better deals. Drill bit sets, $14.98. This one has a 1/2-inch drill bit in it. Now, these aren't the ones that will go in your impact, but you can use them in your drills. They've got another set, this one down here for $9.98, that also still has a 1/2-inch drill bit in it as well. Just has a few less like doubles and stuff like that. A few different sizes. Here is a Cobalt 106-piece set, spade bits, drill bit sets, nut drivers, all kinds of things in there. Moving on down, we've got another Cobalt set for $9.98. Dewalt sets. Again, all the Dewalt sets, Cobalt sets. There's even some down here from Crescent. This one's one I'm probably for sure going to pick up. I love these bits with the little sleeves on them. I use these for installing doorknobs and stuff like that. It helps protect the finish on those doorknobs. And then these bits over here are actually pretty good as well. So I'm going to make sure and pick up that set for $9.98. Moving on down, let's see what else we have. Again, some Cobalt sets with a mix of drill bits. There is a Cobalt drill bit set as well. Now this one I believe has the 1/4 inch on it, so you could put that in your impact. I don't know if we can see what the sizes are. Doesn't say over there. Let's see if we scroll through. See, no, it doesn't give us any of the sizes without getting into the description and stuff like that. And sometimes that gets into a mess whenever I'm recording on the screen. This is a Crescent set for $9.98 that has that impactor, whatever that's called, the Vortex, where it's supposed to allow a lot more torque or something along those lines, or a lot less breakage. Let's see, there is a 15-piece high-speed jobber length drill bit set, $27.48 there as well. I don't know if those bits are any good. Maybe somebody's used those. You can let us know. And then here's a bunch of Bosch sets, 40-piece set and a 44-piece set. This one comes with some drill bits over here for $13.98. And then this one over here comes with just driver bits for $9.98. Again, very good bits right there. So again, all sorts of drill and driver bits. And then also, to me, the Grabo. If you are in the market to pick up a Grabo, you're getting 110 bucks off that thing. Now might be the time to pick that up. But again, just a real quick video letting you know deals of the day on Lowe's. You've got 23 hours and 27 minutes as of me recording that. That's probably not as you're watching this type thing. August the 22nd, 2025. So just letting you know that they're out there. Hope it's helpful. Stay safe. Have a blessed day. I'll see you on the next video.